Oh, I never had that question. Okay. For the last 4 or 5 years, Dubai has really like boomed, especially during and after the pandemic. So it feels like a very exciting place to be. So for me, it was it's been a dream to actually open here and come here. So super excited. Exciting. The local cuisine that's happening, and also like there's a new generation of young chefs. They are creating some amazing restaurants nowadays. The first one, the big one, it's a more casual concept, like a dining club. So a la carte menu, French, Asian. And the other one, it's a sibling or a sister to restaurant Frantze, the fine dining in Stockholm. So that one is like all in, pushing it on a tasting set menu. So yeah, one more casual and one fine dining. Competitive, serious, professional. Cooking. Cooking. Savory. Breakfast. Silver service. Pizza. Lemon. I would say kebab. Hi there, I'm Bjorn Frantze. I'm here at Atlantis, the Palm, where I have my 2 restaurants, Studio Frantze and FZN. So can't wait to see you here.